I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF documents on your laptop. Signing documents electronically is incredibly convenient and saves a lot of time and paper. We'll explore several straightforward methods, from using your laptop's built-in tools to leveraging free software like Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll learn how to add both typed and handwritten signatures, ensuring your documents are legally sound and ready to send in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Many laptops come with excellent built-in PDF viewers that allow for easy signing. For example, on a Mac, you can use Preview, and on Windows, Microsoft Edge works well. Simply open your PDF, then look for a markup or draw tool in the toolbar. You can then use your trackpad or mouse to draw your signature directly. Alternatively, you might have the option to insert an image of your signature, which is often quicker and more consistent. This method is quick and requires no extra software. For more robust signing options, the free Adobe Acrobat Reader is a fantastic choice. After opening your PDF, navigate to the Fill and Sign tool, usually found on the right-hand pane. Here, you can choose to add signature. You have three options: type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once created, you can easily drag, drop, and resize your signature to fit perfectly on the designated line. It's a very versatile tool. After successfully signing your PDF, it's crucial to save it correctly. Always save your signed document as a new file to maintain the integrity of the original. For sensitive information, consider adding password protection, which is often an option within your PDF software. Remember to verify if your recipient requires a specific type of electronic or digital signature. Finally, always back up your important signed documents to a secure cloud service or external drive for peace of mind. Happy signing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.